At PEI Genesis, we value add 70% of the products we sell. We stock the individual components of a connector, such as grommets, insulators, shells, and contacts, then build the final product to your exact design requirements, offering you the ultimate flexibility to overcome most design challenges. We use both automated and manual processes, making us unique in the industry. From injecting connector inserts into shells to inserting contacts, each of our production facilities has dedicated teams to the critical steps within the assembly process. By building to order, we bring the full range of our suppliers' portfolios within your reach with quick turnaround. Each day, we take products that have long lead times and make them almost instantly available in all their variations, often with low to no minimum order quantities. The PEI Genesis commitment is clear. Offer the broadest selection of interconnect products at the fastest speed possible.